This video shows you how clinical dictionaries streamline your EHR documentation. To add a new keyword, navigate to Manage Office, visit Settings, and then Dictionaries. Click Add and type the word. By default, the toggle is active and tap Save. To add related values, use the plus icon, then click Add Value. Add your short and long text. Check Create Another to add more. Then save it. Now, navigate to Visit Note. This feature provides helpful keyword suggestions for visit notes, speeding up your workflow. The short text will appear for every text box on the Visit Note screen. To add keywords on the Visit Note screen, click the plus icon.